Go.
Hi everyone, I'm Tiffany Robbins.
I'm Lauren Barnes.
And this is my partner. And how many of you know how your car works?
Not me.
Okay, well, there you have it. It's sad to say that half of us, or more than half, own a car, but we don't know the basics of how it runs. So today's lesson is going to teach us the basics of the car.
That looks like my purse. What is it?
That is called the motor. That is like the basic fundamental for a car to run.
Okay. And that looks like my eyeshadow. What the heck is that?
Blue?
That's the washer fluid. The blue lid.
Oh, okay. Okay. And this weird thing?
Yeah, that's called the radiator. That helps fluids like run through.
Oh my god, that yellow stuff looks like my brand new shoes I got yesterday.
That is actually the automatic transmission fluid dipstick.
Okay.
I know, it's a funny name, but it's so dipstick.
Oh god. Okay.
The gray cap is the brake pad fluid.
Ew.
It's
okay,
Alice.
The red cap is the power steering fluid, so that helps steer the car.
And
the
that
brake-
would be your
Something
battery.
about brake pads
Right
or
here.
something?
brake pad fluid.
Yeah.
That's the gray cap.
Oh, okay.
Good job. Okay, this is the coolant reservoir right here. That helps cool everything down and help keep your engine not super hot.
What does it stand for?
Oh, that's a 3.0 variable timing ignition control.
That's what I thought.
Really?
Mhm.
So, do you know what this is called?
A hoof?
Yeah, a hoof.
Close. It's a hood.
Oh,
It's a
okay.
hood.
That's what I thought.
Do you know the purpose of it?
It's kind of cute, like a slide.
Yeah. Well, actually, it's not a slide. It is for so stuff when you're driving doesn't get in your car and like ding ding, like boom. Like,
And
it
you wouldn't be
blows
able
up.
to see, obviously, if the hood was up.
Duh.
You'd be like driving out the window, like. Okay. And for our next lesson, we will be showing you how other cars are getting accidents and the Hondas are in good shape.